one of my leads said, yes, we're hiring. Yes, I'm the person that you need to talk to. Like, this is what I need. I wrote down, oh, you really need this, right? And
Mm-hmm.
then went through that whole process. And he says, but we're really a try before you buy. I really like to try before you buy. I'm like, tell me more. What does that mean? He's like, oh, well, I would need to have them do like a case study. Oh, that's no problem. He's like, but for you too, I would need to really establish and see that you have the right people before we'll even work with you.
Yep.
I'm like, how do you want me to do that?
So
Like, I can't work for free. I can't give you their personal information without having a service agreement in place.
yeah, this is where I don't even want you to unpack this anymore. Like if somebody says to me, well, I'm really a try before I buy, I get it. I'm with you. I hear you, right? Back to what we were talking about before. I'm just going to agree with them every step of the way. Does it make sense to get you access to the sales coaching at Easton University? Right? Well, like I had mentioned, I have to try it before I buy it. We don't do that, right? Just calm, cool. Like some of the time we find ourselves having to justify a very reasonable business policy. And the more you build that Jenga tower up of justification, I can't do it because of this and this and that, the more it's like easy for them to pull one thing out and have your whole house of cards or Jenga tower fall down in front of you. I don't do that. I don't do try before you buy. Well, I can't do it. Well, I will be here when you need to make sure that you're absolutely positively certain that the candidates that you have are a fit, so you don't have the 3 mishires like you had last year causing you to miss your numbers, and also dealing with HR and those termination packages. Fair enough? And then they're like, oh God, she's got a point there. Like what's important? Is it try before you buy or is it the outcome? So when you just focus on the outcome, no problem, right? Because just between me and you, only a no bueno recruiter would be like, oh yeah, absolutely, I can send you stuff over. Because they don't even value their own work, their own time, their own energy, and also they don't value their own clients. Because if they're willing to give somebody try before, what does that say to all the people that are paying them?
Hey Matt,
Yo.
What's the nicest thing you've done for salespeople?
The nicest thing I've done for salespeople, I think we should do it right now. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give them the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. You're gonna cover the cost. It's coming out of your pocket. Heather's gonna cover all the cost for you. I want you to click the link here. I will get you the closing mini masterclass. You're gonna close more deals. You're gonna make more money. You're gonna have more fun. Things are gonna be great for you. And she's picking up the tab. You're welcome. She's picking up the tab. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.